Create the project starting from an IFC model. For models generated with other ACCA software, you can import the model in the .ifc format directly into TerMus-PLUS. For models generated with other BIM software, import the file as an IFC format. You'll see the entire model already decomposed into levels with various entities. Select the Import IFC view in the navigator. Select the type of entity. View groups of identical elements already detected and identified. Select a group of elements and view the belonging entities in red. Also show layers if present in the imported model. Assign a structure to the elements by taking it from the libraries. Customize the chosen structure and apply it. View elements already associated with a structure in green. See specific warnings if you choose structures with a different thickness than the selected elements. For models generated with other ACCA software, you can import the model in the .ifc format directly into TerMus-PLUS. In this case, the structures of the BIM objects are recognized automatically.